Hello everyone. Now register for another certificate course of 5 hours which has been launched by CBSE CIET in collaboration with NCERT. For this we have to go to the Google search and here write down CIET. Now see, then press the first icon, Central Institute of Educational Technology. In this we will see forthcoming course on Diksha portal. Then press the 3 lines which is on the top left. Then go to activities here. Then click on workshops trainings like this. Now see, there are capacity building programs through online training and virtual workshops. Now CIET keeps on updating us about the workshops and certificate courses. Now see, one course has been started on 10th of June and it will go up to 14th and it is in Hindi version of cyber threats, साइबर खतरों पर ऑनलाइन प्रशिक्षण. इसका इंग्लिश वर्जन जो है वो अभी स्टार्ट हुआ था, वो हो चुका है फिनिश. तो उसके बाद एक हिंदी वर्जन कोर्स स्टार्ट कर दिया है. तो आप इसको भी करना चाहते हैं, जो हिंदी में करना चाहते हैं तो वो इसको रजिस्टर कर लीजिए और इस कोर्स को 14 तक आपने देखना है और उसके बाद आपने दीक्षा पोर्टल में जाके इसके मॉड्यूल्स कंप्लीट करना है और फिर आपको सर्टिफिकेट मिल जाएगा आफ्टर अटेम्प्टिंग द क्विज. इसी तरह से एक ही दूसरा कोर्स है जो 17 जून से स्टार्ट होने वाला है, 17 to 21, एलिवेटिंग टीचिंग लर्निंग डायनामिक्स ऑन दीक्षा. दिस इज़ द अपकमिंग एक्टिविटी. इसमें ये आता रहता है जो भी फोर्थकमिंग एक्टिविटीज़ होंगी. तो इसको क्लिक कीजिए लाइक दिस. Then see, the details are written here. This is also a 5-hour training series on educational technology, or after this the Hindi version will start. So those who want to complete it in English version, they can do it and register it. Then see how to register. Keep going on the top like this. This is the poster of this workshop, elevating teaching learning dynamics on Diksha. Now who can participate? Anyone can participate in this. Now this is the schedule given here. Then keep going and here we will see how to participate. Right, this is the registration form. After pressing the link you will get the registration form. So these are the details which you have to fill. This is very easy. So all of you register for it. You will press the submit button and it will be registered. Then second step is watching the live session. Now live session will start on 17th of June. From 17th the session will start from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. You have to watch the session daily in this YouTube channel, and again on 21st of June the session will be completed. Then see the step 3. Take up online course, participate in post assessment and get certified. Now what you will do after this, on the last day of the training, all the modules will be on the Diksha portal. As in my previous video I explained you how to complete the module of cyber threat. In the same way these modules will be completed, and then after that you have to do the assessment, that is your quiz, and then you have to submit your feedback. So here is a link. You just have to click on the link and then you have to submit your feedback, that how you feel the session. So in this way you all must complete this 5-hour training, because we know that CBSE has started that every teacher must have to complete at least 50 hours of CPD workshops, that is continuous professional development program. So I hope you will register it and complete it and get the certificate. Thank you.